moving on now. Rajnikant's highly anticipated film Coolie released in theatres today. As early shows started in the south, celebrations began with excited fans storming theatres to watch the veteran actor on the big screen. Fans were seen queuing up outside theatres to mark the special occasion. Fans of superstar Rajnikant, they're gathered at the Vinayagar Temple in Trichy ahead of the release of his latest film Coolie. Rajnikant fans performed several rituals at the temple in Madurai, praying for the film's success. Fans there are eagerly celebrating, hoping for a successful run in major cities like Thiruvananthapuram, Chennai and Bangalore, as well as overseas. Take it on. Screens there, you can see it's a day of celebration for Rajni fans. From early morning, people have been dancing, bursting crackers and lining up outside theatres to watch their favourite superstar on the big screen. In Trichy and Madurai, fans there also went to temples offering prayers and performed rituals for the film's success. These are the visuals, in fact, there from inside the theatres, and there you can see Rajnikant's fans leaving no stone unturned, praying for the film's success. Even in Mumbai, ardent fans of Rajnikant expressed their deep admiration and devotion towards him. Prayers and special events were organized to honor superstar Rajnikant. These are the visuals from Mumbai. There you can see the excited fans. In fact, as I said, it's a day of celebration for the Rajnikant fans. Pure carnival mode there. These, in fact, visuals are coming in from different parts of Mumbai. We just, in fact, saw what was happening inside the theatres. Nothing less than a dance floor there. Fans are on their feet, celebrating every moment. In fact, there as they see their favorite superstar on this big screen. For them, watching Rajnikant on the big screen is not just entertainment, it's clearly pure joy. For Rajnikant's fans across the country, from bursting crackers outside theatres to offering prayers in temples and dancing inside the theatres right on your screens, the excitement is unmatched. From Chennai to Mumbai and even overseas, it is just not a movie release, it's a festival marking Rajnikant's 50 glorious years in cinema. And Coolie is the reason for all this joy. Earlier, in fact, Lokesh Kanagaraj, the director of the movie, took a holy dip at Rameshwaram ahead of the film's grand release and sought blessings for the film. The film Coolie's cast includes Rajnikant, Nagarjuna Akine, Amir Khan. The film also features Shruti Hassan and Pooja Hegde in key roles. The day is also special because Rajnikant completes 50 years in the entertainment industry today. And what glorious 50 years it has been for Rajnikant. We can see he's earned a lot of love, a lot of respect from his fans who have been thronging the theatres from, in fact, since morning. Some of them even visiting various temples to offer prayers, hoping for the film's mega success. And there you can see the visuals right from inside the theatres. The fans there dancing cannot hold their excitement, not even, in fact, caring about anything in the world. They're just dancing, they're just celebrating the phenomenon that Rajnikant is. Fans were eagerly anticipating the release of the movie Coolie. Well, as the early shows started in the south, celebrations began with excited fans. There you can see right on your screens, these are the live visuals. As I said, they are celebrating the phenomenon called Rajnikant. They cannot and will not hold back. All they care about is that their favorite star's movie is releasing. It has already released, it has hit the theatres. And these excited fans, they're storming the theatres to watch the veteran actor on the big screen. Fans also seen queuing up outside theatres to mark the special occasion. Take a look at these visuals. Across to my colleague Sakshi. She joins me over the phone line with more details on the same. Sakshi, you know, as I was saying that these fans, they really don't care much about anything right now. All they want is to celebrate this mega, in fact, the movie that they were waiting for, and it has finally hit the theatres. I have been saying this, that Rajnikant is a phenomenon, and today's day is even more special given that Rajnikant has completed 50 years in the entertainment industry, and what 50 glorious years they've been, you know. Do tell us, Sakshi, how big is today's release compared to Rajni's previous movies?
Absolutely. Good morning to you, Neha, and to all our viewers. Or rather, should I be saying that it's an electrifying morning for Talaiva's fans. It's not just Rajnikant, it's Talaiva for them. We are looking at the visuals coming in of the fans actually not just celebrating the film or 50 years of Rajnikant, they are celebrating his legacy. This is not the first time around that we are looking at such visuals coming in from the theatre where Rajnikant's film has released. This is yet another time that we are actually, like you have said, witnessing that phenomena of Talaiva Rajnikant. Now let's speak about how this has been the most anticipated films of this year. It is already set, to break several records as far as the pre-release sales are concerned. We have been given to understand that the film is already set to cross 100 crore budget this weekend itself. And it is anyways going to be a long weekend because we have, Independence Day coming, then there is Saturday, Sunday coming, then we have Janmashtami celebrations also coming. So we are looking at a box office clash happening between Hrithik Roshan Jr. NTR's War 2 as well as Rajnikant's Coolie. But you can clearly see the visuals coming in from the southern part of the country. It is not stopping. This is the phenomena. It grows every year. Rajnikant is not limited to the walls of India. Rajnikant has gone international. These are the visuals coming in only from India as of now. We are waiting for some more visuals coming in from the international markets as well, because we have been given to understand that the film has sold out many tickets. In fact, in thousands there in international market as well. So like I've said, the film is already on the path to break several records. If we have to speak about director Lokesh Kanagaraj's Coolie, it has released today. Despite the box office clash with War 2, the ensemble headline by Rajnikant has done very well in pre-sales. Like we are looking at the visuals already, the film is likely to do very well throughout the week as well. No matter if there is any working day in this week or not, but the film is definitely going to break several records.
Thank
Speaking
you.
about the pre-sales, Neha, hitting the 100 crore mark already for its opening weekend. They have sold out 12 lakh tickets on the opening day itself, which is today, and it's just morning visuals. We will continue to track all the details here for the viewers of News 9, all the visuals coming in from outside of the theaters and from inside of it. But as of now, these are the details and the visuals, the electrifying ones coming in on the screens for our viewers.
Thank you very much, Sakshi Litoria, for joining us with all of those important insights. Let me quickly go across to my colleague Thoya Jakshi Shekhar. She joins me live from Chennai with more details on the same. Thoya, we're seeing massive crowds and, of course, celebrations not only outside the theatres but inside the theatres as well. And right behind you, I can see huge crowd of fans as well. You know, this is typical for Rajnikant's films, though. But has it gone to another level this time?
Neha, this is a massive crowd that you can see behind me, where fans have gathered here at the Rohini Silver Screen Theatre. This theatre is one of the biggest theatre where, a lot of, superstar Rajnikant, Vijay, Ajit movies, release in a large number of crowds. Where you can also see that, this is Lokesh Kanagarajan's one of the biggest, anticipated movie of the year, I can tell you, because Coolie, after Waiting, this is the movie, Rajnikant has acted. And, this is like previous movies of Lokesh Kanagarajan, the director of Coolie. Movies like Vikram, Leo, and Master. These are the movies, which have created a commercial hit, blockbuster hit in. Where now that even Coolie is also expected to have that kind of a blockbuster hit. Where you can also see that the crowd is, a massive crowd has been, gathered over here in near Rohini Theatre. Police has also been deployed for safety purposes. And you can also see that there are drones where you can see that they're doing a floral, giving a floral tribute to Rajnikant, because his 50 years of movie film industry. So you can see that the crowd is absolutely enjoying this moment, where you can see that fans from across the world have come to watch a movie today over here in Rohini Theatre. Fans from Thailand, UK, USA have also come to watch the movie over here, Neha.
Jakshi, do also tell us that the first show has just wrapped up. This is what we're understanding. What's the verdict from fans coming out of the theatres? Do they care about the verdict at all, or are they just excited to see Rajnikant on the big screen?
Neha, first of all, let me tell you that this is the first show which is going to happen at 9 o'clock a.m. in Tamil Nadu. Usually in Tamil Nadu, all the movies, which releases, it will release only by 9 a.m. This is the first show, so fans are really excited, to go and watch Rajnikant on the big screen today. And also today, on the other hand, War 2 is also released, so it is going to be a massive clash between Coolie and War 2. But the thing that we're gathering over here is all the tickets have been sold out. The house full. The show is completely house full for the next 3 days, Neha. The Coolie movie show is completely house full. Where you can see that, you can also see that there is a physical NFT that the Rohini Silver Screen Theatre has made it specially for the first day, first show of Coolie movie. for the fans around giving a special goodies, to the fans, Neha.
Right. Thank you very much to Ajakshi Shekhar for joining us with all of those important insights. Well, of course, the excitement there continues. Rajnikant's highly anticipated film Coolie has released. It will hit the theatres in Tamil Nadu at 9 a.m. like my colleague Thoya Jakshi has also just now confirmed. But this has not stopped his fans, Rajnikant's fans, to throng the theatres in large numbers, wait for the first show to begin so that they can celebrate Rajnikant and his glorious 50 years in the entertainment industry.